Alright, so we're about to cut this pond dam down here. Needs fixed. We're going to get it drained out and dried out. That way I can start cleaning it out. This pond's not very deep, and as you can see, it's already nasty. So we're going to cut the dam here. Hopefully try to catch some of the fish. We built a small little dam back there to slow it down. Kind of pull in here. Maybe we can catch some of the fish. We're down here cutting hay again. We've been kind of hit or miss here the past couple weeks with these pop-up thunderstorms, but we're back at it today getting this field cut. It's going to be hot enough. Hopefully we can bale it tomorrow afternoon because we got a chance of thunderstorms again Thursday into Friday. So get this place baled up, then we'll be back on to the next one. We're off to go bale our hay that we mowed yesterday. You got anything to say? Well, today's a nice, hot, windy day. Best kind of day to go bale some hay. Got a Gatorade, Dr. Pepper. That's all I need. Alright, we're full of fuel. Everything's hooked up. Can't forget about the AC. Alright, here we go. Alright, so today's video is going to be hay baling 101, and I'm going to show you guys what you need to do to properly bale your hay. The first thing you're going to do is pull into the field. You're going to make sure your baler works. You're going to come up on here to your old bale commander. Make sure it turns on. And then you're going to check your PTO. Make sure it works. Then you want to make sure you have a Gatorade. You know, if you're out here baling and you see some gators, you want to make sure you have the right aid to deal with them. And the next thing you're going to do is come out here and test your hay and make sure it's ready to bale. So we're going to find a spot out here, hopefully, that an animal hasn't pissed on. We're going to grab it. We're going to throw it up. If it blows in the wind, that's a good sign. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to pick it up. And we're going to eat some. If it tastes like that's a good sign it's ready. So first thing we're going to do, take that tractor, make a round, and then once we get our round made, we'll take this tractor and start rolling this up into a round ball. And that's how you make your hay. Well, today's project, we're going to go out and start mowing the sorghum Sudan grass down so we can get it drying. Probably take 4 or 5 days, but we're going to go out and get the tractor and get it hooked up. Got the shields back on it from fixing the bearings and the seal and the gearbox. So we're going to go out here and hook onto it and get after it. It's pretty nasty when you're baling. Pretty dusty the last field we baled, so I'll take this thing out before we start cutting the sorghum. right, we're ready to go. Gonna cut that little patch there, and then basically from here over, that's the stuff we just planted, so it's not quite ready yet. Well, I got the trailer all finished up. Put them Bobcat stickers that I got in the little merch package from Bobcat on there. Put some chevron striping on it, reflective striping. And then I decided to do the back kind of like our fire trucks, other than it's not really the triangle chevron, but I don't know, I thought it looked cool. Don't know how long it'll last, but it'll look cool for a little while. Anyway, now all I gotta do is get some ramps remade for this thing. The paint job turned out pretty good. Luckily I ain't had to use this thing in probably about 10 days because we've been busy cutting hay every day. So the paint's had time to cure good on it. So when I do start using it, hopefully it doesn't scratch off, but I think it's hardened up fairly well now. But anyway, hopefully in 2 days the hay grazer out there will be ready to bale. I don't think it's going to make as much as I thought, because the more it's dried down, it seems like it's shrinking. But I mean, those little windrows are from the mower are still fairly good. But anyway, we'll see. So we got a couple more fields to cut, and then we'll be slowing way down. There'll be a few we'll do a second cutting on, but after this week we should be pretty well close to wrapping up. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.